Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
My name is Jack. What about you?
I'm Herbert. Nice to meet you, Jack.
It's my pleasure to know you here. Where do you come from, sir?
I'm from South Africa. I was born in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
I'm staying in South Africa with. I've been there for many years.
Are you enjoying it here?
I'm enjoying it in Shanghai. Shanghai is a very nice place.
Okay.
I'm enjoying it.
How do you think of this fair?
The fair, it's quite big. I wasn't expecting something big like this, but it's very big. And I've met a lot of suppliers, and I'm going to visit their factories, and so that I can see what they're doing.
Yeah, per your understanding, your perspective, is China a developing country or a developed country?
I think it depends with how you view things, but I think it's developed. Yes.
So what cities have you been already in China?
I've been to Guangzhou. Last year I was in Guangzhou, then now Shanghai, and I'm going to visit Handan.
Handan?
Yes, Handan in Zhejiang.
Yeah. What surprised you most when you were in China? When you first landed in China, I mean. When you first came to China, what surprised you most?
What surprised me was the infrastructure.
Oh, the infrastructure.
It's much more developed. And I think a lot of people don't have the positive perception of China. They think about they look at China the way it was maybe 30 years ago. But now I think China is moving on and China's on the rise. And China has been a sleeping giant, and now it's waking up to its full potential. And that also surprised me. And also the work ethic, the culture of the Chinese people, I think it's great. The hospitality, the warm hospitality of the Chinese people, I really appreciate that.
Wonderful. I hope you have a great time in Shanghai. Thank you
so
very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your time in Shanghai. Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Cheers.